And they have three particular funds here. They have FBTC, the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, FETH, the Fidelity Ethereum Fund, and they also have FDIG, which is the Fidelity Crypto Industry and Digital Payments ETF. Now, FBTC is going to have 100% allocation into Bitcoin, FETH is 100% allocation into Ethereum, and FDIG is going to own companies that have exposure to cryptocurrencies or digital payments, so that's not specifically owning cryptocurrencies themselves. So for example, if we click here on FBTC, just to get a general idea of what this ETF is about, we can see here there is 100% holdings in Bitcoin, so there's nothing else that this fund owns, and it also mentions their net expense ratio of 0.25%. That is a little bit higher than a lot of their other products, but this is their new and trendy ETF, so they are cashing in a little bit here and making their money. And as you can see, this has become quite popular with 10.52 billion in net assets being invested in this crypto ETF alone. So the ETF screener can be extremely useful if you're looking to find ETFs that you want to invest in.